Thursday, March the 14th, 5:11 a.m.
Exit only for Australian? Let's see. Oh, did you have to change lanes again? So your whole point of getting back in front of me was just because you're a douchebag? There's 4 lanes. You needed that one. You didn't. You're wrong. In so many ways. Turn signals, too hard to use. Stopping, too hard to do. Douchebaggery comes natural. Oh, he took that lane back immediately because there was no other room on the road for him. That's the fastest route to get where he's going. You better run away! Threaten me with your vehicle and run! What a pussy! Pussy! Run, pussy, run!